Good gravy! What have you done? Bryson didn't mean it. I know he doesn't mean it.
Can you go? I'm spraying poison.
Come on. Goodman, we need to talk. Look, Mom's busy spraying the entire room. Then I know it's pretty fun, but we can't disturb her. What do you mean? I'm saying, Mom is pretty busy spraying an entire room before the bugs comes in. I guess you're right. So what do we do, Professor? I say we have to wait and chill out. Is that a deal? Fine, okay. Well, good. Now, let's watch TV. So, Soxwell, what's your favorite show? Fairly Odd Parents? Man, Snozzwell is a big-nosed freak. No, he isn't. He's a spy. What'd you think about that? I don't know, okay? These fairies are quite real. It's just a cartoon. I know, okay? Alright, Soxwell. Ready? I'm surely am ready. Okay, Goodman, let's get in the truck. Alright, okay. Oh, it sure is quiet outside. Haven't we, Soxwell? I don't know, but those sleeping trucks are sleeping. Yeah, you can always hear it. But not anymore. Make sure you don't disturb them. Just smell that air. Yeah, smells beautiful. So what are we looking at? There. Oh, the lake? Mm-hmm. We're about to see the lake. Alright, just follow me. Alright, right behind you. Over to the bayou. It has trees on it. It's pretty wet out here. Pretty out there. Yeah, that bayou is sure is stinky and, swamptaceous. Doesn't make any sense. But whatever. And over there, we can see your house. That wasn't my house. It's not? Yeah, there's no house in campsite. Well, I hate you. Well, I hate you too. That's why you're crying. No, I was crying. I'm crying because I'm sad about you. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Let's get back to the campground. Camper. Yeah, you go there. Soxwell? What are these plants are? They're cattails. It belongs to the swamp. Oh. Cattails. Not an actual cattail, right? Well, I hope not. Usually they look different. Everybody likes cattails. Should I go touch it? Touch it? Oh, okay, you can touch it. Alright. Smooth. Isn't it amazing? Yup. Alright, let's get back to the camper. Okay. Okay. Alright, folks, we're about to see Tony. I think Goodman's taking a rest right over there in the table. But I'm making sure you have a very good camping outside. We're on our way to the next camping trip before we see Tony. That is a restraining order. I'm your host, Atlas P. Soxwell. That is a restraining order. Thank you. And I don't know what he's doing. On to the next camping trip.